would definitely recommend the internship program to anybody that's interested in applying. As interns here, your voice is definitely heard and appreciated. I asked a lot of questions during my internship, and they were always answered respectfully with the intent to help me understand the content that I had questions on.
My goal when I first started at DeZURIK that summer was just, identifying the type of company that I want to work for and the type of work that I want to do at that company. So the internship was really beneficial to me in terms of getting my feet wet, kind of in a corporate world, getting out there, doing some work, and just kind of starting to build those connections when I was in college.
Working with all the engineers on different projects, it's not a lot of busy work like you would expect an intern to be required to do. It's more of actual projects that you would be working on if you were an actual drafter or designer.
I would recommend the internship program at DeZURIK because I think that as far as jobs go, for what people usually look for after high school or during college goes, it doesn't get much better than what I experienced here.
What I enjoy about the culture of DeZURIK was mainly the atmosphere. The atmosphere of me and my coworker, especially with SLE, they're just very helpful for any questions you ask, and they're just right to it.
What I enjoy about the DeZURIK culture is it's a friendly work environment. Employees get support and motivation from all levels of organization. We are all here to make DeZURIK difference.